Kraft Foods Ukraine today is the headquarters for 12 countries of Eastern Europe and Central Asia. For the last 15 years, the company has invested $200 million in manufacturing infrastructure in this region. There are 2 Kraft plants in Ukraine, including the state-of-art multi-category facility supplying chocolate, coffee and coffee mixes, and in 2011, biscuits. Since 2011, Kraft Foods Ukraine is one of the top 10 priority regions for Kraft Foods Global Corporation. Building Biscuit Factory project in Trostianets, called Bistro, embodied an outstanding Kraft leadership management practice in Ukraine. Based on extra engagement and commitment of local business, government and community leadership, driven by a strategic view of the rapid growth of the biscuit business in Ukraine, new markets of Eastern Europe and Central Asia, through dedication, passion and expertise of the team.
We treat our business in Ukraine and new markets from a long-term perspective. That means that even in difficult economic environment, we continue to invest. That's how and when our decision to invest into new biscuits plant was made. Fast and timely completion and launch of the biscuits factory was critical to continue our successful development of the biscuits business in Ukraine. That will also help us to expand our biscuits business into the territories of new markets.
What makes this case truly remarkable is that the implementation of the project of building and launch of the biscuit factory took only 1 year from start to finish. Over $40 million were invested. About 350 employees were or planned to be hired. And finally, the factory created a new benchmark in product cost and asset utilization for the industry.
Biscuits production is very new for my team. It is a specific technological process, experience which develops for years, and here in Trostianets we have 30 years history in chocolate production, from cocoa beans to tablets of Provence. We have 3 years experience in soluble coffee packing and great results in main KPIs, and now we started new history in biscuits category.
This is a great project to supply our global platforms Barney, Tuk and Oreo in Ukraine, in new markets and partly Russia, with the benchmark product cost and reliable execution. Clear strategy and plan design, ability to implement the project by local resources, advanced organizational model, secure in products quality and local suppliers development to our standards. These are only a few of manufacturing strengths which are visible in this project. Overall, Kraft Foods Ukraine operates business with over $500 million revenue in 12 countries. It has achieved leading positions in key categories for Kraft, such as coffee, chocolate, salty snacks and biscuits. And it sets new ambitious goals, being fully equipped for dynamic and extensive growth, having a talented team and state-of-the-art production facilities.
Over the last 3 years, Kraft Foods Ukraine, leading 12 countries, has doubled its business. Still, we see enormous growth opportunities ahead of us, and we count on our leaders. Leaders drive business, and we have all chances to create our future today.